Welcome to Daily Tax Minute. This is Tony Novak here to share a few points on how to stay out of tax trouble. Today's topic is CPA letters to verify facts. And I chose this topic today because I'm working on a simple project, and it occurred to me that many of us don't appreciate the difference between CPA letters, opinion letters, and fact verification letters. So most of what we hear in the news and in our requests, perhaps from a mortgage company or a bank, is CPA opinion letters. And those letters are very valuable, subject to extreme level of scrutiny and laws. And every time I issue one, I have to have it reviewed by a third-party peer reviewer, which is under control and governance of the State Board of Accountancy. It's a big deal for a CPA to issue an opinion letter. Not the case for a CPA fact letter. A CPA can issue a letter confirming a fact, and that can be very valuable in business or law. And I encourage clients and situations to look at those fact letters as a possible alternative to opinion letters. And if you're familiar with tax industry, you'll know that this is a hot topic, hotly discussed and debated. And I just want to give the example that I'm working on today. A client is a U.S. resident, but non-citizen, applying for citizenship. Now, you cannot have a tax balance due when you apply for citizenship. So if a person has a fairly complicated tax situation, as in this case, tax matters in different states, different businesses, corporations, real estate, it's difficult for anybody, CPA or anybody, to say you don't owe any taxes. That is factually difficult to verify. But what I cannot issue a letter that says that you don't owe any taxes. That's a fact that I don't know. I can't even issue an opinion letter that, and I wouldn't even take on that risk to issue an opinion that's my opinion that you don't owe any taxes. That would be silly. But what I can do is I can speak with the IRS. I can get records. I can say that I read the tax account transcripts for this year, and this year, and they show zero balance due. I can talk with one state and say that I've logged on and printed out a copy of your online account transcript that shows the zero balance due, and I can do that for a second state and a third state, and I can verify. Those are facts that I can verify. Yeah, it would be an opinion that no taxes are due, and we can't do that. So hope that is clear and useful, the difference between a CPA factual letter versus a CPA opinion letter, and how we might be able to use make that distinction useful in business and in law. If you have any questions, comments, or feedback, I'd love to hear. I'm easy to reach on social media, or you can reach me one-on-one at taxproblems.cpa. I'll be back tomorrow.